Why was using the microwave at night a full stealth mission? Everyone's asleep, the house is silent. Roblox still running in the background. I'm moving through the kitchen like the floor is rigged with alarms. I open the microwave gently, place the food inside, close it slowly. I press the buttons one by one like that somehow helps. Timer starts and I instantly regret everything. I'm staring at the numbers, counting down like it's a bomb. I rehearse excuses in my head just in case someone wakes up. I open it early, still beeps once. One single beep, and my soul leaves my body. I freeze. I don't move. I don't breathe. I'm listening for footsteps, doors, anything. Nothing happens. I grab the food, speed walk back to my room, close the door quietly, and eat in silence like I just survived a near-death experience.